at your crib, girl. You better tell me where you at, you say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my braiding pattern like that with this thick natural hair. I feel like I haven't braided my hair in so long, but it's only been like 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, because I have my hair straight. I need a trim desperately, but anyways, this is what I do every single time that I'm going to braid my hair. Going to wear my wigs. This is my braiding pattern. I had a video before installing a wig and I did my braiding pattern, but I felt like it would be much better to just have a dedicated braiding pattern video so you could just watch this specific video with no interruptions. So this is how I do my first cornrow. I make sure that it is parted like this and it's behind my head, and this is going to prevent your hair from pulling. I use those two products, screenshot them. I don't remember what they're called. I didn't get to see the screen. They're going to be linked, not linked, but the name is going to be in my description box. So I start off by braiding that first braid. If you don't know how to braid, I will advise you to look up some videos teaching in depth how to do a cornrow. It's really easy. I've been braiding my hair for a really long time, so it's easy for me, but I'm just doing it medium size. I did do 10 braids. I don't want to talk too much in this video. I just want you guys to look at what I'm doing and then you can follow along with what I'm doing. I make sure I always do this type of anchor braid at the back of my head, because if you don't and you put your wig on, the braids, just the straight back cornrows, are going to be pulling at the nape of your neck. So I use this braid to make sure that there's no tension at the back of my head whatsoever.
The way that you move from my thing, girl, it feels so good.
Okay, and now that we're done with that first braid, we're going to go on to our second braid. The second braid will be on the other side of the head and it's going to be the exact same pattern. So it's like an anchor braid at the back, and those two anchor braids are the most important part. My hair looked like a little bit sparse back there, but keep in mind I have no eyes in the back of my head, so I was just parting it anyhow. So I'm just going to braid that down same exact way. But what I'm going to do is when I get halfway through it, I'm going to add the end of the other braid. I hope that makes sense. The end of the first braid, I'm adding it to this braid, and I'm going to keep braiding. As you can see right here, it is. I'm going to show you. I added it to that braid. You can't really see, my hand was in the way. And then now that this braid is finally back to the other side, we're going to start doing our straight backs. And this is where you can start doing the straight backs, because there's not going to be any tension at the back of your head. This is very self-explanatory, so I'm just going to play the video and I'll be right back to talk to you guys at the end.
No. Take my hand and I will show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard things, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve and we straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Yeah. Say she want banana, then her arms get big like cassava. When girl moan on, me now want pull up. But if she want take it, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold you. No, you're not just young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, ay. You know I shouldn't get it, girl. I'm feeling your vibe whenever you roll with me. Took so long to know the shawty, all I gotta say. You know I shouldn't get it, girl. You know I shouldn't get it, girl. You always there when I need you, but right now I need you. I'm calling your number, girl, give me the feature. Come split me some ether. I had that shit.
Okay guys, so now I'm at the last braid, and you guys know when you're at the last braid, this is the best feeling ever. So this whole time I was making sure that I was putting that moisturizer at the root of my hair, because I need for it to be nice and soft and not dry whatsoever throughout the days. And I leave these braids in for like 2 to 3 weeks. So throughout this whole time I would keep re-moisturizing my hair. So I have a spray bottle. I'm gonna put some of my moisture milk in it, and I also seal in that moisture with some oils. But I make sure that I wash my hair every 3 weeks is the max I would go. I don't leave my braids in for too long, because after some time it's gonna start breaking my hair off, and I don't have time for that. I do need a really big chop though, because my hair, I don't know, I feel like it needs to be cut. But yeah, so right here I'm just going ahead and looping my last braid into the cornrows at the top. And this is just going to ensure that it is flat. And this is flat enough for me. If I'm doing a client's hair, I would do it smaller than this, but it was just mine. And it's the same exact braiding pattern, but it will be more cornrows. Right here, I'm going in with this oil. You can use any oil you have. This oil doesn't really do anything for me. I'm just showing you guys. And I did go in with my coconut oil spray, and I just sprayed that on top of my hair. That's basically it for my braiding pattern. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Where you at and who you with? Open up, I'm at your crib, girl. You better tell me where you at, you say.